Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the screen lock into your LG K50. It's gonna pin, pattern, password or fingerprints. To do this operation, go to your settings, general, lock screen and security here. Select screen lock and you can choose the pattern, code, pin, password or fingerprint. To get pattern, you can write pattern, Pin, that's gonna be like this. And the password, you know how looks password. And last, fingerprints. Next. With the fingerprints lock, you need to add your pattern code to add it when you don't remember the fingerprint. Now you can choose option that to hide notification when the phone is locked or show notification. As you see, phone want to place finger on the fingerprint sensor. Just do it few times. Voila. You can add more fingerprints if you want it. Now you can add your fingerprints and pattern code into your phone, so it should be work. Voila. Phone wants from you pattern or fingerprints. We are logging. Let's take the pattern which we create. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.